Hey you guys, it's Marissa. I am so excited. Mila's in front of me across the table dancing and probably laughing at me. Shh, please. I am so excited. I received my creator box and I had talked about it a few times on some past videos. This was put out by James Burke at JLB Creative, and what he, are you kidding me, decided to do, because he's, ran his Patreon, he has his own business, was to have, was it four? Yeah, one, two, three, four other artists or creators across YouTube and Instagram to have an opportunity to create something of their own. We have a washi tape set. There's somebody that did some die cuts, stamp, and some stickers. So the four other people, I'm sure you've all heard of them: Allie Brown, Inky Quill, Job's Journal, and Documented Journey. I don't remember her name. I do follow her and watch her as well, but I will put everybody's links. I know this is a pre-order. I believe after these were all shipped out that he would put some in his shop. I think it's $45. First I was like, oh, I don't know, but I wanted to support. I enjoy all of these people, and James Burke also put something in here as well. So I just wanted to share. It's okay, I have not opened it. I even saved for my journal the little sticker that came on the box, but let's just get to it. So this came, super cute box. Here we go. Let's see what's in it. I knew ahead of time. We got like sneak peeks of, oh my gosh, this looks like tissue paper that Adele did from Inky Quill. Oh, I'm so going to cut these out and put these in my journal. So cute. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Coco! Mila, I don't want him playing with that. Okay, so, oh my gosh. I think this is hers. I'm keeping this. I wish I could just buy this by itself. All right, so I put it on this turquoise tray so we could see the die cuts. So we knew ahead of time who was creating what. We got a few sneaks. I don't want to rip this tissue paper. Sorry, you guys. You know what? I'm just going to rip it. Hold on, you guys. I'm going to get my dog out of here. Sorry, you guys. We had to get rid of the toy. Okay. Oh my gosh, the tissue paper. So let's open up. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, you guys. I am so excited. Oh, I just love it all. I can already tell whose everything is. So I'm going to move this over here so we can see everything. So these are from Job's Journal. He did 3 washi tapes, and I should open them, huh? I probably should have done this ahead of time. I'm sorry. But I'm sure it's all over Instagram, and no, well, here, look at it yourself. Anyway, so this is like a craft brown one. Hopefully you can see it has like some doodly flowers. So you got 3 of them. Just so pretty. And this is just totally like his style in his journals. And then this one I really like. I can see some like grid in the background. I know I probably should have opened this for you guys. Sorry. So we got 3 of these. Do they have names? No, but how neat for them to have their name written on this. And I think they even will have an opportunity to sell these. I think that's great what James did for all of them. Okay, here we go. Who's this? This says, so excited to see creator box made. Is this part of, well, this was in there. Maybe this is free. I think this is Allie Brown's, or maybe this is from Documented Journey. Maybe it's just a freebie, but here is a sticker. So pretty. Here is the little like pocket journal that James Burke created for it. And oh, I love it. Oh my gosh, I could not wait. Of course, sorry for that Band-Aid. I think these are pages taken from his own journal. I am going to, every book he's ever released, any collage book, I have everything. I took the class. I went down to Los Gatos and took the class with him. Totally fangirled. Oh, this is just gorgeous. As he's laughing. Sorry, Sorry, I call her Sissy. Mila's laughing. I could not use this as a journal. I hope that I do not hoard this. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to make copies. You guys, my husband got me the printer that I always wanted, not a photo, because I have so many small photo printers, but one to print out, you know, because I belong to Patreon and I have so many downloads. And you guys, he got it for me last Christmas, the Canon one. Why have I not opened it? Because I don't have room in my craft room, and that's horrible. He's like, I'm not getting you anything this year. Oh my gosh, I'm so embarrassed. I was getting Christmas decorations for Thanksgiving, and I was like, oh my God, I totally forgot about it. And I was like, I have never plugged that thing in or done anything, and it's so nice, and it wasn't cheap, so I am going to use it and make copies. Sorry. So here it is. Oh my gosh, I love this. So it is a pocket journal. So this is what he contributed. Now here is from Documented Journey. These are die cuts. Gosh, look how beautiful they are, you guys. This was such a deal. If you think about it, what is it? I guess because it was free shippings, and I will totally use this too. Backing, $9 like for each thing. So I'll just, are these stickers? I think they're just die cuts. So they are black and white, taken straight, I believe, from her journal. Just beautiful. Just so cute. I'm assuming you could probably color these, right? They're so big. I'll probably trim more around, you know, not leaving so much white. I know that James had said something with the production hadn't, something wasn't right. It was just a little off. And so it took a little bit longer. They had to redo it. And I appreciate that he wouldn't, you know, send out anything that he wasn't comfortable. He didn't want to release something for somebody else if it wasn't to, you know, his standards. So here, this is right here. So it was a free sticker. That was nice. And then, here are the washi stickers from Allie Brown. So cute. You guys, this is just so fun to get. And it's just fun when you know the artist. I mean, you know, you follow them. Sorry, so it's an A5. I know it has his writing through, but I just wanted to show you. So they look like, you know, like her signature, just little plops of color. Now she just plops down color. I have her washi that's like that. And these are big old stickers. What a great layering. Oh my goodness, I love this. Stay grateful. I am a scribe, slow to see. I am a scribe. Is that how you say it? I've seen that word. Oh my gosh, I just love it. And then, last but not least, I'm sorry, I totally fangirl over. Look at this stamp. I had no idea. Adele did this stamp. Oh my gosh. And look at the cute packaging. She just had her little baby girl. But I know she is just so happy and proud. And look at this. Oh my gosh. I just love it. This is so cute. Love this. Oh my goodness. This is just, I love it. I love every single piece. And these hearts remind me of her. I mean, this could be put upside down, hanging from something, as can these. It's just, oh my gosh. So we also got that. And then the last thing we got was, so yep, Adele, Allie, Bree, Job, and James. I hope he does this with more creators. Oh, this is just so, you're shaking it, Mila. Sorry. Look at this. A little bit about everybody. I love it. I just love it. Here's Job's journal. So, oh my gosh. So here's Bree from Documented Journey. Here's Allie Brown. So a little bit about each artist. Gosh, look at how pretty. I mean, you could totally collage with all of this. Here's Adele. So cute. I love it all. I just love it. I'm sorry. I know I'm totally being cheesy, but so here's, I don't know if I showed you this. I will use this in my journals too. So yes, that is what you get. $45. Like I said, if you can get your hands on it and you enjoy these creators, this is such a special, well-crafted box. And I think they all did amazing. So thank you to all of the creators for doing this for us, for doing this for yourself. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed and like seeing what was in it. And I will talk to you later. Bye.